So hey viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are sharing some Halloween scary outfit ideas for girls. So before starting the video, who are new to my channel? So kindly subscribe my YouTube channel for more latest and trendy updated videos. So let's begin the video. In this video, we are sharing a lot of ideas related to how to look scary for the Halloween party for girls. So there are a lot of ideas such as you can wear a simple black skirt, wear some kind of hats, and if you want to give yourself a devil look, you can even give it. It looks super amazing, and otherwise you can choose some princess, some angel like look for your Halloween parties. So guys, take the screenshot of that idea that you like the most, and even you can download this video, so whenever you will be free you can go to your offline videos, watch the video till end and select the idea that you like the most. And we shared a lot of stuff related to Halloween, such as Halloween cake decoration ideas, Halloween food decoration ideas, Halloween makeup ideas, scary makeup for girls and boys, couple outfits, kids outfits for Halloween parties, and many more things. So you must have to visit my channel for such kind of videos. And if you want another video related to Halloween, then must comment below the topic. I will definitely make video on such topics. So hope you like the video. If you like, kindly subscribe. Thank you, goodbye, stay home, stay safe, stay connected.